Hello and welcome. I'm Kristen Dalton and you're tuned in to the best of My Local Buzz TV. This is your best source for information on all the buzzworthy people, places, and things all around your town. Our team has found the hottest spots and can't wait to share them with you. Let's get started.
For the last 11 years, First Quality Tax Service has provided exemplary tax consultations to Inglewood and the greater Los Angeles residents looking for help with any tax problems. They excel in providing fast and responsive service to their clients with specialties including bookkeeping and payroll services and refund anticipation loans. Did you know that unfiled tax returns can be filed up to 3 years back in order to receive a refund? Wondering if your previous tax preparer got you all of the credits and deductions to which you were entitled? Let First Quality Tax Service review your previous returns for free. They also guarantee reasonable rates for any amended returns. First Quality Tax will get you the largest refund on the planet allowed by the IRS, guaranteed. Now affiliated with Express Tax, First Quality Tax Service is proud to offer Express Tax rewards. When you refer a friend or family member, they receive 10% off and you receive a referral fee.
We take our time with each individual return to give the quality service instead of quantity.
Here at First Quality Tax Service, we provide individual and corporate tax preparation services.
Individuals try to do their own taxes, they're not as knowledgeable as we are, first of all. Tax law changes from year to year. So we kind of give them advice, what their situation is, and then help them for the future.
And these services are provided to both English and our Spanish-speaking clients.
Es correcto, aquí en First Quality Tax ofrecemos servicio de calidad, damos servicio a la comunidad latina.
Find First Quality Tax Service on La Brea in Inglewood or online at firstqualitytaxservice.com. Have you ever found yourself obsessing over your problems but feeling like a solution never presents itself? Ever wondered how to create the life of your dreams? Been frustrated by life but unsure how to break old patterns? You can live the life you want to live today. The secret lies in Bishop Edwin J. Derensburg's book, Creating Your Own Reality. This book is an invaluable source that can teach you how to get out of your head and into your greatness. By aligning yourself with a positive outlook, you can harness the will already within you to create the amazing reality you've always wanted. It allows you to be stronger, to have more focus, and to create a new plan for your life with courage and power. Bishop Derensburg teaches that we have been endowed and blessed with the ability to create the world and experiences that we desire to have in this life. His book will teach you how to change your life so that you can be on your way to creating the reality you've dreamed of for yourself.
Anybody that's a seeker of truth could appreciate this book. The first thing that a person needs to do to create their own reality is they first must know who they are. See, first, if I understand who I am, that will keep me from who I'm not. Second thing, remove yourself from those things that you are not. And then you got to think in a new way. So I don't like people to feel like they're stuck. I like people to know that there's a way out and they are the answer.
This book has impacted my life to allow me to know that I've become more than what my experiences in life have been.
This book will help you to learn who you are, take responsibility for your actions, and move yourself from the place you are into the place where you want to be.
To order Creating Your Own Reality, please check out the website at creatingyourownreality.us.
Here in the South Bay, we're lucky to have miles of shoreline on which to play. We can bike, surf, and sunbathe to our heart's content. But what about when we want a full-service fitness experience? South End Racket and Health Club creates an oasis of recreation and relaxation. This spectacular facility offers an array of racket sports and fitness programs. With 12 tennis courts, 5 racquetball courts, 3 championship-style paddle tennis courts, 3 squash courts, and a pro shop in the facility, your racket belongs here. When you aren't swinging a racket, there are many ways to stay active. The lush grounds feature a 25-yard outdoor pool as well as a smaller pool where children are encouraged to play and families can grab a bite to eat at the poolside cafe. South End Racket and Health Club offers various children's programs throughout the year from tennis to swim. When it's time to relax, treat yourself to a massage or enjoy a steam, sauna, or whirlpool experience in the spa. South End Racket and Health Club is the health club with country club appeal. Let's find out why.
A member or a person can stay with their family for the entire day. Nobody offers more in health, fitness, sports, and activities. We're more than any health club or gym. We're a gateway to a healthier lifestyle.
You come in here and it's total relaxation. A lot of people have told me over and over again that they love that they can come here and unwind.
So we actually just joined for the pool, but the thing I love the best about it is that the water's always warm, the people here are friendly, and there's so many kids that come here so that our kids get to play with other kids too. It's great.
In essence, we have something for everybody.
South End Racquet and Health Club is so much more than just a health club. Rediscover what a little recreation and relaxation can do for you at southendclub.com. We all need a vacation from the daily grind. We work hard and deserve some relaxation. But what about our pets? The next time you go away, send your pet on vacation too. Let All Star Pet Resort be your pet's home away from home. All Star Pet Resort is a family-owned business with more than 35 years in the business of pet care. And All Star, providing your pet with a loving, safe, caring, secure boarding experience is their top priority, and all for a phenomenal price. Pets enjoy clean accommodations, fresh water, and cozy blankets in a music-filled atmosphere. On-leash walks and a playground are also available. And did I mention there's an on-site staff to provide your pet with 24-hour care? On-site grooming by Leslie is also available to all boarding and non-boarding customers alike, again at a great price.
We're really going to do everything within our power to give the pets the same kind of attention and love that they would receive at home. And there's no one better that you could ask for to handle your pet. We're so confident leaving our own pets here, and we really love for our customers to feel that same confidence. And we really want All Star Pet Resort to be your pet's home away from home.
Other pets are also welcome. All Star Pet Resort has taken care of pets from turtles to guinea pigs. Stop by for a tour. For more information, go to allstarpetresort.com.
From the Beach Boys to the Doors, Southern California has been home to some of the most iconic musicians of our time. Maybe it's the sunny weather or beautiful shores, but we've all got a bit of the music in us. And for those of you who want to pick up an instrument and learn more, or perfect an art you've been pursuing for years, Horror Pro Music Academy on Veteran Avenue is the place to indulge your love for music. Since 2005, Horror Pro Music Academy has helped educate hundreds of music students in Southern California. From group classes for kids to private lessons for teenagers and adults, this school makes learning fun. They even have continued education classes for adults who want to relive their music glory days. Well versed in the modern nuances of the business, Horror Pro Music Academy takes a classical approach to their methods. The basics serve as a foundation for the students to grow creatively. Taught by world-class instructors who hold academic degrees in music, students are empowered to explore music. Some instructors even offer classes in alternative languages. All the courses at Horror Pro Music Academy are great, but the secret weapon is their innovative Music for Kids program, the Color Soundation. Using simple color coding exercises to introduce children to essential music skills, they make learning accessible and fun. Before they know it, students have mastered pitch, rhythm, and music literacy, all by expressing themselves creatively. Want to kick up your heels and dance after a long day of rocking out? Horror Pro Music Academy also offers ballet and hip-hop dance classes that will make music to your feet.
We try to teach all of our students the language of music so that they can take that and learn any instrument. All of our faculty know what it is to really be an artist, and they really play a large role in mentoring our students and trying to help them find their own artistic vision.
Well, the Music Academy is owned by Horror Pro Entertainment Group, which is a music publishing business here. We've worked with KISS, REO Speedwagon, and Usher. We're here to teach music and experience for people that's wanting to be an artist.
Get the music in you or your child with a free introductory class at horrorpromusicacademy.org. Finding the proper therapy resources can be a daunting and challenging task. With Southern California Neuropsychology Group, they assess your cognitive state to help you better understand your symptoms or disease as a resource to empower you through your therapy sessions. By understanding the brain's functions, you can recognize and prevent negative emotional and behavioral patterns. NPG doesn't just offer assessments. They provide you with the tools you'll need to incorporate healthy habits into your life. You don't have to go through life feeling glum like Eeyore all the time. You can change your story and remove your rain cloud by learning new life skills through workshops or individual treatment plans. We talk with them about their services and what type of ailments they commonly treat to get more information.
Neuropsychology is actually the study of brain and behavioral relationships. So when a lot of the folks that I'm dealing with, traumatic head injury, concussion, bipolar, depression, anxiety, learning problems, And so I come from a brain pattern perspective, because your brain pattern is much different than your emotional pattern. We're great at some things and not so hot at something else. So the things that you're not so good with, I provide recommendations to kind of boost them up. I love my patients, they're wonderful people, and I'm here to get them to operate in a world so they can be happy. You know, we can all be happy. Happiness is actually a choice. So a lot of my treatment is very short term. So you'll see changes in people within a handful of months versus years that they've been in treatment. And then we push you. So it's like having a personal trainer for your brain.
The Southern California Neuropsychology Group wants to help you be your best self. For more information, you can call 818-340-7700 or visit them online at SoCalMPG.com. When was the last time you heard a song that stayed with you even after the music stopped? Or stumbled onto a songster you couldn't wait to put into your playlist? Well, if you haven't heard the sensational sound of vocal vixen Adrienne, you may well be missing out on the biggest breakthrough voice in years. Though influenced by such legendary soulsters as Mahalia Jackson, Whitney Houston, and Stevie Wonder, Adrienne brings a sound to the R&B scene that is uniquely her own. While Adrienne has songs to soothe any sour mood, her latest album, The Journey, reminds fans old and new she can still set it off on the dance floor.
And simply say
Actually, doing this project took a lot of work and a lot of extra time, a lot of late hours. It's been well worth it. And what I hope people get to see from this project is that it can help them to reflect and want to chase after their dreams.
Now, if you were the last to know about Adrienne, you can still be the first to know about her album releases, performance dates, and much more. Check out Adrienne's website, join her fan club, and get the inside track on the next great voice in music today at AdrienneTheJourney.com.
Well, that's going to do it for this edition of the Best of My Local Buzz TV. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, exclusive Buzz discounts are available to our viewers at many of the businesses you've just seen. Simply mention My Local Buzz TV to receive yours. Also, you can find more information on the businesses, people, and events in this episode at MyLocalBuzzTV.com. Be sure to like us on Facebook and visit us again for the latest buzz on the coolest people, hottest happenings, and events around your town. Until then, I'm Kristen Dalton. See you next time.